Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the honourable member for the question. Mr. Speaker, sir, for the benefit of the House and the public, please allow me to briefly share what the South Pacific Tourism Exchange, or SPTE, is. The South Pacific Tourism Exchange is a major annual event hosted by the Pacific Tourism Organization, or SPTO, formerly the Tourism Council of the South Pacific. It is the Pacific region's flagship tourism event, which brings together industry leaders, tourism professionals, stakeholders and partners from across the Pacific under one roof. The event was born from our collective commitments to offer our valued international travel partners the opportunity to see and experience our regional tourism products and suppliers so that they can sell the Pacific as their destination of choice. Mr. Speaker, sir, what makes this event more special is that this is the first time for Fiji or any other Pacific Island country to host the SPTE. It has been hosted primarily in New Zealand and Australia and New Zealand, and now we are proudly bringing it closer to home. Mr. Speaker, sir, well over a decade ago, we would host the Mbula Fiji Tourism Exchange, or BFTE. Over the years, Fiji, like many of our other neighbors, began hosting their own expos. That is how the Fiji Tourism Exchange was born. With the coalition government's renewed commitment to regionalism, the Ministry of Tourism and Civil Aviation has partnered with the SPTO to bring this element of Pacific back. Fiji's hosting also gives the opportunity for our small island brothers and sisters who may not have their own expositions. Mr. Speaker, sir, Fiji is a founding member and host country to the SPTO. 9 Pacific Island countries founded this organization, and today we have a membership of 21 countries and about 200 private sector members. Mr. Speaker, sir, the SPTE 2024 will be held from 4 to the 5th of May in Nandi, serving as a platform for fostering regional collaboration, promoting sustainable tourism practices, and showcasing the diverse cultural and natural attractions of our Pacific nations. There will also be a series of workshops and training. The SPTE 2024 will be held along the margins of our very own Fiji Tourism Exchange. We're expecting at least 80 buyers from across the globe and 80 sellers from the Pacific during the 2-day events. The SPTO and Tourism Fiji also collaborated on a co-hosted buyers program to bring in 15 buyers from the United Kingdom and Europe to participate in both the SPTE and FTE events. Mr. Speaker, sir, it will be a very busy few days for the tourism industry beginning 30 April to 7 May. So much so that we are calling it Tourism Super Week. Tourism Fiji will be leading a number of engagements, including workshops covering sustainability, advanced travel, digital, destination development, and a 2-day cruise symposium. Along the margins, SPTO will also be conducting workshops for its regional tourism organizations, including a 4-day research and statistics capacity building workshop, the Sustainable Tourism Regional Consultation, Pacific Tourism Digital Champions, and Marketing Managers Workshop. Mr. Speaker, sir, being selected to host this year's SPTE is a testament to Fiji's renewed commitment to regional tourism and the commitment of the Fiji government to promoting tourism that is empowering, resilient, prosperous, and inclusive. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.